Uh, what are your kids doing now? We're having a contest, Mom. What? We're having a burp contest, Mom. Whoa, knock it off. I do not like burping in this house. I love Mom. Yeah. Yeah, it's good burping. Alright, what did you say? I'm burping. I said no burping. And I see burping. And I see it's louder. Oh, not just kidding. No burping in his house. Bravo! What's this? A burp champion in the world. Wait! I need bars! I am burping again! Really? Yeah, guys. Why? What's the fruit? It's fun. It's cool. It's a disaster. I did not get burping. Did not get the soda. Yeah, I like the Coca-Cola and Pepsi. Yeah, of course. Maggie. Oh, just kidding. I didn't Maggie's burp. Watch this. How many times do I have to get to tell you, kids? I absolutely a big burping at this household. How's it going, everybody? Oops, burp right French. Thanks, Dad. Good one, Dad.